The next team is called Binary Jammers. And the Binary Jammers have came up with a very interesting demo that not only going to help you in terms of your day-to-day work, but also on your way to work in your commute. And specifically, this is a project that will help in terms of corporate carpooling based on social communities across organization. And the goal essentially is to help the commuters and also reduce the overall carbon footprint in terms of the traffic that is being generated. So, Team Binary Jammers, are you ready? Please welcome Binary Jammers.
Time to walk. I want to carpool to save some gas.
I'm going to check my BlackBerry with Project Green Drive and see if anyone wants to carpool with me. Oh, I see that Yui joined my group, and he's a friend of mine. I'll go ahead and carpool with him.
Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, it's me Larry from Oracle. Can I just ride with you guys? Or?
Larry from Oracle wants to ride with us?
No.
I don't think so. Reject! Project Green Drive, right? Commuting with the people you like.
So if you look at the problem space of reducing carbon in the air, as well as corporates going green, and we look at the stats of Palo Alto, 50% of emissions are caused by transportation, 90% of the people commute alone, and these 90% contribute to 30% of those emissions. So the problem space is huge. So why is corporate carpooling not successful today? If you look at the corporate side, it's not really baked into corporate strategy. There are no proper tools to implement it. It's not a part of corporate carbon footprint, and it's really hard to quantify with no KPIs, metrics, measures. On the personal side, it's not really social, it's not based on community, and it's not just really fun. So here we present Project Green Drive, a social carpooling solution for corporates.
Okay, so let's get to the technical demo here. And so for our carpool, we have Christian here, who's just created a carpool, and he's going to be the driver this morning. So he's going to go into his carpools and view the details, and he's going to see that he's the only person currently in his carpool. Somewhere else in Palo Alto, Hashim is also doing his demo, or his wanting a carpool. He's just woken up, he's done his coffee, and now he wants to go search for a carpool. So he's going to come here and enter in the address of SAP Labs Palo Alto because he lives at work. And he's going to select this, and we have an Esri web service, and what we're doing is we're actually doing address to GPS coordinate conversion, and this is getting him a list of all the carpools in Palo Alto sorted in order of increasing distance from his current location. So he's close to Christian, so he's right now just going to select Christian's carpool, and he wants Christian to be his friend, so he's going to select Christian and actually to give him a thumbs up. So he's going to increase his rating here. This is one of our social networking features. And then after giving him the thumbs up, he's going to join the carpool. We can see that Christian has some trees. That just is a rating showing us that Christian's a really green guy. Somewhere else in Palo Alto, we have Jonathan over here, going by Larry right now, who he's actually just a lowly employee, so he doesn't have a BlackBerry, but he is young and cool, so he uses Facebook. And so what we've done here is actually integrate our application into Facebook as well, and so here we have a Google map also showing the carpools near him. And so he's going to also choose the nearest carpool to him, also the one organized by Christian, and join that. And now that he's joined this carpool, he can go back and view his list of carpools and see that he's, in fact, in this carpool. Now it's, I don't know, maybe half an hour later, and Christian has decided he wants to go to work. So he's going to again view his carpool, and what he can do here is by viewing the details, he can then actually go and see that Larry and Harish are in his carpool and click Next Pickup. This is going to give him a map showing him where to go and where everyone else is living near him. So there's a map. We can see that's the area around here. And in fact, he can actually even click the menu and click directions and get driving directions to how to get to the next guy by clicking on, oops, if you stop scrolling.
Come on, dog.
Well, he could get directions. We're just going to go back right now and see that there's the directions. So he can go back now, but he's had some second thoughts about this Larry from Oracle guy. So he decided, even though he's his friend, we have a happy face there, so he's going to kick him out by clicking reject. But we also want to have a friend. And what we can see is that by make a friend, we can make Harish my friend. And then if we go back here, we're actually going to see that he's my friend, but Larry is no longer in my carpool. I'm now going to turn it over to Brian. He's going to explain how you can use this to achieve your corporate strategy.
Project Green Drive gives your company a dashboard so you can manage your sustainability development over the long-term basis. What we have here is Excelsius tied in with a live web service into the NetWeaver backend. We're feeding data into the chart, and we can see that through the month of June, we can see how we progress with creating more actual carpool riders every month. And at the same time, since we're integrated with Facebook, as well as the friend methodology we have inside the BlackBerry, we can track how many people have actually increased the number of friends that they've tagged inside Facebook. This increases social networking within your company, as well as other companies within the region. However, you can track just according to your corporation as well. At the very bottom, we're looking at your environmental impact, how many carbon tons your company uses per month. Every time that someone uses a carpool, the number of carbon tons actually decreases per month. So we see that we're having a positive impact on the environment using the carpooling program. On the side here, we have sliders just showing a relationship between carpools, how many people are shuttling, and how many people are cycling. So you can try to use corporate projects to actually increase people's shuttling and cycling, and you can see the projected impact for the next 6 months on the environment. So your goal is, the KPI on the right, is to actually increase the corporate sustainability so that you're getting in the green zone. And what we're doing, we're using simplicity by taking very complex technology, NetWeaver, ABAP, programming, the back-end, web services, Java, PHP, BlackBerry, Facebook, and making it simple for the user to use all at one time and increasing across the community for all types of users.
Team Binary Jammers, what a great, great demo. And I also love the drama piece at the beginning. You know, I don't know, maybe we should hand out the Best Actor Award, Academy Award for the acting. Great award, guys. And pretty useful, too.